FL Studio is a very interesting DAW to use. To get started, on the top left-hand corner we have File, Edit, Add, Patterns, View, Options, Tools and Help. Well, let's go back to File. You can click on New to create a new FL Studio page or to create a new project. Save records your work for future use. Save as gives you options either to keep your work as you can see. Import allows you to load MIDI chords, drum patterns and many more. Export, here you can convert your work to WAV form, that's WAV, MP3 and many more. In the next lesson, we'll start to know the first step to start making your beats in FL Studio.